Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley, and if you're new here, make sure you do subscribe on the bottom of this page. Make sure you click that bell button right there so you can be notified when I do upload new videos, and make sure you do follow me on my social media, Makeup Artist 27, Instagram and Facebook. So yeah, and if you do like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and let's get started. So on today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys the new Boxy Charm for the month of January. Here is the Boxy Charm. For those that don't know what's Boxy Charm, so it consists of 5 products, and those 5 products are full-size products. They send you products based on the profile you pick when you do subscribe. You pick the brands you like, you pick the skin color, all that stuff, and then they arrange a box just for you, and that total is $21, including the shipping and everything. They do have the every 3 months the Boxy Luxe, which is a bigger box, and that I received last month. So if you want to see that, it will pop up right here, so you can watch that video too with all the products I received. So for today's video, we're gonna be opening and doing a little quick tutorial using this Boxy Charm for the month of January. So let's get started. It always brings a flyer with the products in the back, and it tells you the prices for each product and what is it for. Boxy and Chill, that's the theme for this month, and we got 5 products, I believe. 5 or 6, yeah, 5 products. It's always 5 products. I don't know why. I'm like counting wrong or something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go in the order that is here, and the first thing we receive is a Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask, which is this product right here. I'm gonna put it right there closer to you. And this product has a price of $16. It's like a spray bottle, so you can spray on your hair, so like give you moisture and all that stuff. And that is $16. Yeah, spray through freshly washed and damped hair with focus on the mid-length and ends. Comb through and do not rinse out. So it's like a leave-in spray. Perfect. And I love Briogeo products. They're amazing. The next product, which I totally love, is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea eyeshadow palette. I think there was a few different ones people received. The one I received is the one with the pink sparkles. There's one that has like others. They're all different colors. So this one I love because it's more like in the browns and like pink. So beautiful. And this product is $36. $36, guys. How can you like not subscribe to this box? $36, you pay $21 for the whole box. Yeah, that tells me how good is this box. The next products we received is the Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara from Wonder Beauty. I'm gonna put it closer to you guys so you guys can see it. Okay, it just doesn't want to work with me today. Okay. It is a mascara from Unlashed Wonder Beauty. I received the under eye like a couple months ago from them. And the price for this is $24. $24, guys. $24 for this. The next product is the Tatcha mask, which I love. Who doesn't love Tatcha? Like, tell me, who doesn't love Tatcha? These are Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. They're made in Japan, and they retail for $24 each. Not is like 2 for $24. No, $24 each. I think it's $24 each, or 2-pack. Maybe it's $12. I don't know. I'll comment down below and tell you guys if it's $24 for the pack or 2 for $24. It'd probably be a 2 for $24, because 24 for 1 is kind of expensive. And the last product we receive is the Bite Beauty, and this is a lipstick. And this lipstick goes, it's like this, and it's a pink color, beautiful fuchsia color, and this goes for $26. 26. That is awesome. So now we're gonna go ahead and use all these products and let's have some fun. So I am back. I let that mask in my skin for 10 minutes. I did my eyebrows. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start it with the eyes. Pretty simple eye makeup. We're gonna use the Tarte. So we're gonna go ahead and use paddleboard, which is this color right here. I'm using the brush Luxie 229, and this I received from the Boxy Charm in the month of December. So I'm just gonna apply that all over the crease. I'm gonna zoom you guys in more. Now I'm gonna apply this sandcastle, which is this color right here. I'm gonna put that right in there. With the same brush, this brush is Luxie 213. It's an eye shading brush. I'm gonna use what is it, Off Duty color, which is that brown right there. I wish you can see it better, but it's just not working. There. And I just want to use that in the corner. I just want to build more of that color here. And just bring it forward. We'll fix that later. Now I'm gonna apply Starfish, which is that one right there. It's like a light pink glittery, and I'm using brush Morphe R42, which is like a flat brush, and I'm just gonna put it like that all the way to the top and connect it with the brown. Same with the other color, with the other side. Now I'm taking Morphe E36 like this, and we're taking Playa. This one right here, and just put it on the inner corner. Right there. Now I'm gonna take paddleboard, just that light brown right there, and I'm using this elf brush. This is the eyeshadow brush. Okay, it's like an eyeshadow, but it's more thin than the ones I have right now. And we're gonna just apply that here. And I'm using Morphe Y7. Now for the highlighter, what we're gonna do is that we're gonna use this, and we're gonna use the Kite Surf, which is that gold right there, and put the product, spray it, let it sit for a while, and then you're gonna apply it. Cute, simple and cute. Spray it. Wait a minute. See how cute is that? And now we're gonna use the Bite lipstick. Well guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Today's video was just unboxing and doing a mini tutorial using the Boxycharm products for the month of January. Very simple. I did use the hot pink color. We used the Tarte, we used the mascara, we used the face. The only thing we didn't use is the hair thing, but you know, that's for hair. So yeah. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video and just continue to watch my other videos, and make sure you subscribe, please. We're very close to that 1,000 subscribers, so it will mean a lot if you do subscribe to my channel. So yeah, this is the beautiful look. It doesn't go with my shirt, but just don't mind. But yeah, I am living for this look. Simple. Yeah, so I'm gonna just do it really close up so you guys can see it. Okay.